Hey everyone, so today I'm showing you how to turn on or off Google Play Protect on your Android phone. Play Protect is a security feature that scans apps in your device to keep it safe from harmful apps. So let's see how to manage it. Let's get started. All right, first thing, open the Google Play Store app on your Android phone. You'll see the main page with apps and games. Now, tap on your profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. This opens a menu with several options like your account, settings, and more. Okay, from the menu, tap on Play Protect. This will take you to the Play Protect page where you can see the security status of your device. Here's the thing. If Play Protect is currently turned off, you'll see a message saying Play Protect is off or simply just scan with a button to turn it on. Just tap Scan to enable it. Play Protect will immediately start scanning your device for harmful apps. Just wait a few seconds until the scan is complete. It'll show you if any issues were found. Now, for additional security, tap on the gear icon or settings at the top right. You'll see options like Scan apps with Play Protect and Improve harmful app detection. Turn both of these on by toggling the switches to the right. If you want to turn Play Protect off, just toggle those same two switches to the left to disable them. And that's it. You've now turned on or off Google Play Protect on your Android phone. If this helped you out, let me know in the comments below.